Hello friends, welcome to VDS Tech Lab. So now this is the continuation of Python FAQ series. So in this video we'll discuss one of the important interview question, that is how to find Fibonacci series by using Python code. So let's open the PyCharm. So first of all we know what is Fibonacci series. So let's suppose 0, 1, and if we add 0 plus 1 then it will become 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, and so on. So in this way, this is the Fibonacci series. So how we can achieve this programmatically? So let's define one function def fibo and we'll pass one parameter n. Okay, then what we'll do? We'll take two parameters like a equals to 0 and b equals to 1. Okay, and then we print this one, print a comma v, and then do n. Means we want to print in the same line. Okay, so after that we'll apply logic. What logic? We'll apply for loop. For I in range means up to what? N minus 2, because n minus 2, because a and b we have already taken, so n minus 2 will exclude a and b. Okay, and now after that what we'll do, will c equals to a plus b, and again we'll print c. Okay, print c, and then what we'll do, we'll again have it exchange the value. How? A equals to b, and b equals to c. Okay, so let's call this function, and what happens? See, fibo, and we'll apply 5. Okay, and if we execute this one, see, if we execute this one, then this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Why it is printing in another line? Okay, we'll give here also end, because we need to all these things in same line. Okay, we'll give some space, and then see 0, 1, 2, 3, and see, if we give here like 8 up to 8, it will print Fibonacci series. See, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 plus 3, 8, and 8 plus 5, 13. So in this way, this produces the Fibonacci series. And now one more thing, we'll print what? In new line. Okay, new line, and after that what we'll do, we'll take another logic, second way. Okay, second way. So this is more interesting. Let's see what we'll do. We'll define a function def even, and we'll pass like x. Okay, we'll pass x. X is the number, and what we'll do, if x equals to what? X equals to 0, then it will return what? It will return 0. Elif, because we know we need one more else. Okay, so that's why we use elif what? X equals to 1, then it will return what? It will return 1. Else it should return what? F of x minus 1, f of x minus 1 plus f of x minus 2, sorry, x minus 2. Okay, now we'll call the driver code is what? For I in range means what? 0 to 8. Okay, and then what we'll do, we'll print f fun and fun of I. Okay, now let's see what happens. It will produce the same code because both function should produce what happened. F is not defined. Which f is not defined? Okay, sorry, f is not defined means fun. Okay, fun, and then again fun. And now if we run this time, see, this will produce the same result, but we'll need one more thing. We'll add end here so that it will print in the same line. Okay, so that's what I need. So see, it will produce the same result. The result is same, but the logic is different. So you can go either this way or this way, but I prefer this way. This is the simplest way and more logical. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.